It's your boy Zay-P, Zay-P the I am. I am that I am, as you are that you are, for we are all that we are. From the individual to the many, from the many comes the all, and the all is one. So your boy's back with a brand new video. I want to thank you all for popping in. If you're new here, be sure to hit that like button. Follow, subscribe if you're on YouTube, Instagram, or even Facebook. Zay-P the I am, as we're trying to grow this community of awakening minds, awakening souls, awakening hearts. With that said, let's connect directly with the energies. And so with that, I offer some light language for the collective to soothe as a salve on this aching, rigid structure within the consciousness of the collective. Hyena titia. Oniakai toy. Suni tuayakai na to. Shiana. Seko. Atitaya na tuaya yanata. Return back to your original forms. Less structure, more form, more being, in grace, in flow, in the fluidity of your light body, in the joy of your dance, in the experience of play. Allow yourself to be maneuverable and adaptable. So anyakaya tatatalua haini. Inotu haya. So no I kia titu tuala. Oh no. There are such deep wells within yourself, deep wells of strength, deep wells of courage, deep wells of love. It is all pulled within you by this divine spark that you truly are. Not the flesh that you wear. The divine spark that you truly are carries these pulls of love and depth and strength that are able to carry you through. Trust in yourself. Trust in the self, the grand self of the all, and bring forth your joy, your creativity, your passions. Bring forth your life and bring forth your light. For it is your light that is the gift to the world. Be in the flow of it all. Be back with your original self. Not in rigid, in structure, in form that was created by your ideas, but in the innate flow and natural instincts of life that allow you to be adaptable, to change, to grow, to evolve. Be like the water, the fluid, the energy, the light in the wave form. And you can handle anything life will throw at you. Asiaka na tatao. Sukuani tataya. So. Okay. Well, that feels better. My back feels a lot better after that. And that was your message. I hope you enjoyed it. This was me, your boy Zay-P, just showing up. Be sure to like the page, follow, subscribe. If you want to do one-on-one coaching, hit me up on Facebook, facebook.com/I am Zay-P. Peace.